Gonna do this run to Kentucky and back in less than 30 hours. My name is Brownfeld. I've never done this long distance run, but it was brought to my attention for a good cause. It's for the veterans. And most of all, I'm renaming it as a Hulk run for my buddy Hulk.
Yes.
Who went down on his bike, severely hurt, injured.
Yeah.
And he's coming out of this the Hulk way. And I want to dedicate this run to him. All I know is one thing, that I have to go to Kentucky and back in 30 hours. That's all I know. Everyone doubted me and says I'm crazy, but you come to post 180 and you got a half a dozen people that are going to Kentucky. So I guess it can be done. I'm not looking for points. I'm not looking for a plastic trophy. I'm looking to know that my endurance and my self-challenge to get to Kentucky and back in 30 hours can be done.
Well, this is Alan Brownfeld, my friend, and I hope you do well. And I know Hulk's gonna take a long time to get him back to where he was prior to the accident, and I'm glad you're dedicating this run for him, man. Thank you. My name is Gabriel Carrera, and I advertise as the Attorney that Rides, and I am the rally master for the Meals of Honor 30-hour Ironman LDR Motorcycle Challenge. It's a points-based run where there's points of interest throughout the state of Florida, Georgia, Tennessee, Kentucky, Mississippi, Alabama.
Alan! Alan! Alan!
Is there a trophy for the best looking rider? Hey, thank you all. Thank you all. It's been a pleasure.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the 2018 Meals of Honor 30-hour Ironman LDR Motorcycle Rally. Give yourselves a hand.